What the fuck is up, everyone? Back with Prison Meddler here, back with part 3 of Doom. So let's go ahead and get started. Foundry. I don't want to read all that. So yeah, on to part 3 of this Doom marathon. All right. Oh, the mission's called Meltdown. And still low on ammo. Will the Prison Meddler get more ammo, or...
After running more diagnostics on the active Praetor suit, it appears that I can accelerate the upgrading of your arsenal by measuring your combat effectiveness.
I thought he says by I thought he was going to say by measuring your cock.
The facility will not allow you access.
I need to stop with the dirty jokes already.
Threat level is brought down
Now where the hell's the
security
machine thing? Destroy the gore nests? Oh, wait a minute. Transfer complete. Oh wait, well let me read this. Participant will now reward kill as many demons as built during a mission to maximize your... Nice. Can't do shit with that. Oh, I guess this is where I came from? I don't know. Oh wait, never mind. It just opens automatically. Wow, that looks... Alright. I don't think I want to jump all... Oh, shit! Okay. Never mind. How do you go... Is this how you go back up? This game reminds me of Halo a bit. What's this? Max. Alright, let's see what I want. Ooh, I'll take the scope. That definitely helps. Damn it! Why do I keep doing that? Well, I'm out of ammo. Woo! Well, I have to... Is that the rest? No. Do I have ammo now? Thank you. Oh, it just shot his head right off. Alright, I need more ammo than that, guys. Alright, oh, we got 33. How do you reload? Let me look real quick. Jump. Oh, I didn't know you can double jump. What's BFG? Switch. Next. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess you don't reload. I don't know. I don't need to come back here. I don't think I like... Oh, I need to grab a key card again? And there's another door. Gotta be more than that. You bitch. No, I'm not done yet. Alright, what we got? What the hell? There's more of you? Who the fuck are you? Is that a boss round? Try to... Again with this shit. Oh, is he bulletproof? Oh shit. Go away. Here, open the fucking door already. Damn! I have the fucking card! I am so low on health right now. I need to get the fuck out of here. Come on! Not letting me open the door! And again with this shit. Alright, let's go. Why the fuck? I hate when I keep doing that.
Warning, core temperature rising.
I always keep thinking this is the... No, I can't use the chainsaw. Where's the rest of them? Wait a minute. What the hell was that? I pulled something, but I don't know what's happening. Oh, I see something that's yellow. Oh, this little shit. Oh. What the hell is... Oh, okay. I'll take that.
Stay focused. Stay committed.
There we go. Weapon wheel. Well, I like this. Oh, okay. Really? Area lockdown? Oh, this... Okay, I think I need to get back to my original weapon. Come on, give me that vest. Come on, don't kill me. Oh, thank you. Oh, fuck you. I'm out of ammo. Fuck you, too. You think that's gonna work on me, bitch? Fuck you. Nice try, asshole.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got. Well, what we got here? Quick recovery, lightweight. Do I look like I want those? Bullets fired while zoomed. Deal. What's the other one? I need 3 more. Okay, I'll go with Skullcracker. For some reason, I just like doing that. Alright, let's get back to it. What's my next objective? Well, there's multiple of them. Let me see here. Curb Stomp. Okay. Let's go to the closest one. And then work our way to the forest.
Stay focused. Stay committed.
Who are you? I have a feeling it will kill me, will it? No? Okay. I thought it was gonna be like poison gas or something.
Remember.
Alright, here we go. Come on, bitch. Fuck you. Oh, hell no. Not a chance, biatch. Alright. Now we got one down.
Genetic threat reduced by 25%.
Alright, we got 3 more to do. Nah, I don't think that's... I guess it is. Let's try it. Yep. What was that? Damn it, I'm low on ammo. Fuck you. Alright, I'm very low now. Where the hell is the ammo? Is this a dead end? Oh wait, never mind. Bitch. Why the hell are you... Oh, never mind. Apparently I can't get up there. Dee-dee. Don't worry, I'm not blowing kisses at you. Alright, let's go the closer way. Let me look here. So this is my nearest one, so let me see here. Or wait a minute. Go here and I guess go through this way. Alright, we're good. Invalid key. So maybe this is valid? No, invalid key. Area lockdown still. I guess this is the place. Invalid key once again. Guess we have no choice. Go the farther way, so I guess go through this way, turn right, and let's try that. Alright, once you go up, you turn right. I see something. Oh wait. Wait, where am I doing again? Keep going straight. Up here. Damn. Alright, well. That is a weak-ass bomb. No, he got two down. Fuck you. Great, out of fucking ammo. Or not.
Demonic threat reduced by 50%.
Alright, now any bodies I should check out for valid key cards? What the hell? Oh, there's... This better be fucking valid. Alright, blue key card, awesome. And I see this blue icon, so... Whoa. To enter here. The hell? Oh, you bitch.
See Jessica and Human Resources for assistance.
What, you motherfucker? Oh, fuck you. Bitch. Fucking bulletproof. Oh, are you shitting me? That is bullshit. Alright.
Demonic threat reduced by 50%.
Alright, bitch.
See Jessica and Human Resources for establishing a new paradigm and move humanity into the future.
Fuck you. Want some? What is this? Some Satan symbol or some shit? Oh shit!
Your devotion to the UAC's mission.
Alright, bitch. What is up with the Satan symbol?
Your devotion to the UAC's mission on Mars is the foundation to our success.
Alright, so I go down here. Well, I can't do that. Have to... Shit. Oh, okay. Where am I? Damn it. Try again. No. Yes. Alright. Why do I need his arm for? Oh, okay.
Granted.
Now, where am I going?
Get
Oh.
stopped.
Gotcha, bitch. Alright, that's the rest of them.
Demonic presence reduced to...
Alright, what we got? Got two, excuse me. Well, I can't buy shit from here.
Lockdown disengaged. Turbine room doors now open.
Alright, no. Wait, where am I? I guess I go over... What is that? Predator suit? What do I get? Decrease explosive... I guess less damage? I don't know. That looks cool. I'll deal with all that later. What up, bitch? Alright, open up. Alright, let's get the fuck out of here. Come on, open the door.
Warning. Core temperature reaching critical levels.
What am I doing? Alright, massacre, here we come. The fuck? Am I gonna fly up here? Oh, there's more of you. Who the hell is shooting me? Oh, hell no. Gimme, gimme, gimme. Come on. Hell yeah. Where did you go? What up, bitch? Oh, hell no. This bitch again. What the hell? Oh, there's two of you? So I have to waste all my ammo for this shit? Oh, hell no, bitch. You suck on my chainsaw, cocksucker. Alright, where'd you go? Alright. You know what? Let's do something from this pistol. Nah. Bullets fire, we'll zoom, and we'll penetrate. Oh, awesome. I'll take that.
The core temperature is now stabilized.
Alright. Where the fuck are we going? Investigate the signal.
The control room has been activated somewhere nearby. It could be Olivia.
What time is it? I'll let the video keep going. Alright, let's move up here. More upgrades. Alright, what we got? Locked. Well, I can't get anything. Wait a minute. Or I guess I can with this. That sounds useful, I guess. Why am I... Okay, never mind. Oh, this bitch?
Authorization. Olivia Pierce. Alpha 402.
Excuse me.
She has locked me out, Dr. Hayden.
All power rerouted to Argent Energy Tower.
She is trying to tear open the portal between our world and theirs.
What is she doing? Huh.
You could not have saved them anyway.
Is this bitch the villain? Whatever. Where am I? Another massacre, huh? Alright guys, sorry about that. My computer shut off. So, let's continue. So... I guess I need to open the door or something, or... Oh, nothing. Oh, never mind. Exit facility! Alright, guess I'll end the video right now. Alright guys, so... that is part 3 of my Doom gameplay. So, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to me if you haven't. Click the bell for the notification. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and most importantly, share this video so I can get more views and subscribers. So, till then, I'll see y'all next time. Peace out, everyone.